Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with another super easy, very quick and beginner friendly hairstyle, so keep watching to see all the details. So today we're going to do miracle braids, but instead of doing a full head of miracle braids, we're going to do half braids and then half crochet hair. So here's everything that came with the hair, everything that you might need when installing the hair. And the hair that I'm going to be using today is from HOT BRAIDS, and this is the exotic natural curly feather curl crochet hair, and the length that I'm using is 22 inches. I love that they package the hair this way. It makes it easy to store the hair in case that you don't use it all. Also, the hair doesn't tangle up. And as you can see, it's very easy to open and close the hook. And once opened, you can just slide the hair out as so. So the hair has this thread-like piece in the middle, and that's how you're going to have that seamless look when you install the hair. When you install this hair, you won't have those big knots as how you would have when you install normal crochet hair. The hair is going to lay flat, so it will give you that natural seamless look. Now I'm going to show you how I install the hair. So I divided my hair in half, then I went ahead and did individual braids for the front part of my head, and that's where I'm going to install miracle braids. Also, when you're doing your individual braids, make sure that you don't braid all the way down. Just braid your hair like that, because later on you're going to attach the crochet hair on your ends. And this is how I did the back of my head. I just did regular cornrows, and that's where I'm going to install the hair as how you would install normal crochet hair. And this is how you're going to save time installing this hair. The cornrows won't show at all, and it will still look as if you did individuals throughout your entire head. So now I'm going to start installing the hair, and this part is straightforward. You're going to install the hair as how you would install normal crochet hair. So after sliding the crochet hook underneath my hair, I'm going to place the crochet hair on the crochet hook, close the latch, then I'm going to pull the hair through, then I'm going to open the loop, then I'm going to pull the hair through the loop to secure it. Again, I'm going to take my crochet hook, then I'm going to slide it underneath my hair, then I'm going to place the crochet hair on the crochet hook, close the latch, then I'm going to pull the hair through. Then I'm going to open the loop, and then I'm going to pull the hair through the loop to secure it. So just continue the same process until you're done with the back of your head, and when you reach this part, make sure that you cover any gaps so that the cornrows don't show. And that's how the hair is going to blend well with the front part of your hair. So now we're going to move on to the front part, and now we are going to start installing our miracle braids. Your individual braids should be looking like that. So now I'm going to take a crochet piece, and then I'm going to attach it to the ends of my braid. So you're going to continue braiding until your hair is braided down, and all that's remaining is the crochet hair. Also, to seal my ends, I'm going to use this wax stick from As I Am so that my braid doesn't unravel. Since I'm going to braid only until where my own hair ends, you can use any hair product of your choice like a hair gel or any braiding gel. And once you're done, your hair should look like that. And I'm going to be using 2 pieces of the crochet hair per braid, one at the ends of the hair and one at the roots. So now I'm going to take my crochet hook, slide it underneath my hair, then I'm going to place the crochet hair on the crochet hook, pull the hair through, then I'm going to tie a knot. I'm going to show you again how to install your individual braids, and again you're going to use 2 pieces per braid. So you're going to take your first hair piece, and then you're going to attach it to the ends of your hair. Then you're going to braid until you reach the length of your hair. And as you can see, I placed the hair piece behind the middle strand, and that's how I'm going to attach the hair piece to the ends of my hair. Then you can use any braiding gel, hair wax, or any hair product of your choice to seal the ends. Then you're going to attach the second hair piece to your root. So you're going to take your crochet hook, then you're going to slide it underneath your hair. Then you're going to place the hair piece on the crochet hook, close the latch, then you're going to pull the hair through. Then you're going to open the loop, and then you're going to pull the hair through the loop to tie a knot. So that's pretty much how I did this hairstyle. It's very easy, very quick, and very beginner friendly. And by doing cornrows at the back, it saves a lot of time, and it will still look as if you did individuals throughout your head. Now I'm done with the hair installation. Now I'm going to show you how you can style the hair and what you can use. First, I'm going to spray water on the hair, making sure that it's fully soaked. Then I'm going to apply this styling cream from Nourish and Shine. This is going to define the curls while still leaving the hair very soft. But if you want to use a product that has maximum hold, you can go ahead and use styling gel or styling mousse. So after applying the product, I'm going to use my brush to define the curls, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm done with everything. You can just go ahead and trim the hair to your liking, and this is the final look. Again, the hair is from Hot Braids, and this is the exotic natural curly feather curl crochet hair, and I use the length 22 inches. Also, I use all the hair that I received, which is 265 grams. All details of this hair will be linked down below, so make sure to check that out. I also have a coupon code that you can use to save some coins on your purchase. So you can see how the front part blended well with the back of my head. You cannot even see the cornrows. The hair blended perfectly. Also, the takedown process is really easy and straightforward. You just open the loop where you tied the knot, then you release the hair, just like so. And what I love about this hair is that you can reuse it since it's 100% human hair, and you can easily store it since it has that thread-like piece in the middle, so the hair cannot easily tangle up. And for the front part of your head, you just undo your braids and the hair will come out. So just go ahead and crochet that hair piece back. Also, with this kind of install, you can still do a lot of hairstyles. You can wear your hair down, do a middle part, do a side part. Also, you can do half up, half down hairstyles. You can do a lot with this hair. Again, the hair is from Hot Braids, and all details of this hair will be linked down below, so make sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.